want to do that. We want to remove the excess powder. That's why you're going to keep them straight, 90 degrees, same thing. So then that way give it a really nice and precise like shape. Okay, do it the same thing with this. It's going to be so much better when you are doing it. Like if you practice your nails, I promise it's even easier. And if you have your clients, it's even easier. I'm just sitting on the station that is a little bit higher than my arm, so that's why it's hard. But if I'm not under the camera, I can do it like bam, 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 no problem. Straight, 90 degree. And now you're going to turn it this side. And then you're going to go ahead and divide your nails in a half. So now at the first you do, it might be confuse you, but you practice a couple times, you will get hang of it. So divide it visually, like divide your nails feeling like this in half. If you put your fire in there, and then you're going to form half of it, you're going to go down. So now you're going to just find it on the sides of the nails instead of flatten on the top, because you do not need to get them flat on the top. Just like remove the excess powders on the sides. A lot of sets that I do for clients, I don't necessarily need the e-file. So when you are learning this technique, at first it might be really comfortable, especially when you're out from school or you're learning the technique from school for many years. And unless in a school that is showing the new techniques doing it, if not, then you just always can always continue education and add it on your techniques. And we're gonna go along with this, so it's prevent from like touching a lot on your cuticles. I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Can you see it from under the camera though? Mm-hmm. You know what? I think it because this table is taller than the higher than the other one. That's why. Hold on. Let me show you this. So you guys see that it's slender, but it doesn't taking away from the structure of the nails. I'm gonna just need to clean it on the cuticle area. But the structure, the shape is pretty much like really good and close to precise that you are doing. And then another ways as well,